Are you tired of having only a handful of subscribers on your YouTube channel? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the ultimate tips and tricks to help you gain billions of YouTube subscribers. Tip number 1. Consistent content. Posting videos regularly is key to building a loyal subscriber base. Aim for a consistent schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Tip number 2. Quality over quantity. While consistent content is important, remember that quality is paramount. Focus on creating high-quality videos with exceptional production value. This will help you stand out from the crowd and attract more subscribers who appreciate your dedication to excellence. Tip number 3. Connect with your audience. Interacting with your viewers builds a personal connection, making them more likely to subscribe and engage with your content. Reply to comments, hold Q&A sessions, and ask for feedback to let your audience know their opinions matter. Tip number 4. Eye-catching thumbnails. A captivating thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past. Use bold colors, engaging imagery, and clear text to create thumbnails that grab attention and make viewers curious about your content. Tip number 5. Optimize your titles and descriptions. Don't underestimate the power of a well-optimized title and description. Use relevant keywords and phrases that align with your content to improve your visibility in search results. Tip number 6. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Team up with creators in your niche to reach new audiences and expose your channel to their subscribers. Collaborations offer a win-win situation, where both parties benefit from increased exposure and potential new subscribers. Tip number 7. Promote your videos on social media. Raise awareness about your channel by sharing your videos on various social media platforms. Leverage the power of hashtags, engaging captions, and eye-catching visuals to capture the attention of potential subscribers. Tip number 8. Use YouTube Analytics. Dive into the data provided by YouTube to gain insights into your viewers' preferences, watch time, and audience retention. Analyzing this valuable information will help you tailor your content to meet the needs of your viewers and attract more subscribers. Remember, growing your YouTube channel takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged. Keep implementing these tips and tricks, and you'll be well on your way to gaining billions of YouTube subscribers. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.